Often we see workstations misbehave by throwing unusual error codes and refusing to update. Some recommended fixes like DISM might not work always. So in such cases, I prefer a process called an in-place repair over the top. To do this, you need to have an ISO of the exact version of Windows 10 that is installed on your computer. This video is to show you how to do a repair install. First, you come to the Windows software download site, link in the description. You want to create Windows 10 installation media, so click on download tool now. Once the download is complete, run the tool. This process is time consuming, depends upon the internet speed. Now choose create installation media for another PC, since we need the ISO image of the OS. Make sure that you tick the use the recommended option for this PC. Doing so, all the features of current OS will be selected automatically. Next, choose ISO file to create the image of our operating system. Next, select where you want to save the ISO file. Windows 10 download will start once we complete this process. Now wait for the download to complete. Once we finish it, locate the downloaded OS image, mount the same, and then run setup.exe. Click on choose how Windows setup downloads updates. Choose not right now. Click next. Agree the license terms. Click on change what to keep, leading to three options. Choose keep personal files and apps. Then next. Finally click on install. What we did here is installing an operating system over the top of your misbehaving OS. This is my recommended way to fix up misbehaving Windows 10.